Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, guys, you know what I mean? Me hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I am doing a little prank on my granddaughter. And today we're gonna make some Korean sesame seed chicken. That's the way we are cook for dinner. Me and her are gonna make it together. But you know what me I gonna do to her, guys? This is for recipe. You understand me? I mean, no, so she can cook and she can cook good because she make it already and will enjoy it. But we decide, so well then we are going to do it again and we are going to run a prank on her. So while she a look about the food, me I go tell her, say, Cyan, you know, do it right and I so you cook it and all of that me I go do messing around with her, guys, to see her reaction. You understand me? So guys, she upstairs now and me I go set up the camera for we videotape the chicken for you guys because I want you guys to make it also. You understand? Because when I tell you say it delicious. You understand me? So guys, before me get any further, I want to know if you like, subscribe and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post, because you know what, Mama Joan is back in the house again. You understand me? So guys, thank you for no support. I need enough to watch the video and give me the little support. Alright, so I'll be right back at you. Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, guys, you know what I mean, guys. It be hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. And Scotch bonnet pepper mean also fire pan cyan pepper. You understand? I want to fire with that. But she stops the fire pan head top, but me love it. I love for you always put fire pan her head top. So anyway, guys, Cyan and me, what we're making for okay, I'm gonna let you tell them what we're making for dinner.
Today we're making today we're making Chinese sesame chicken for dinner. So we have 6 chicken breasts cut into 1-inch pieces. So we're just gonna start the recipe up. And we made this yesterday and it really tastes like the Chinese chicken from the place. So yeah, if you guys like Chinese food, you can make it at home too.
Okay, because when I tell you guys that it's delicious, I mean it absolutely delicious and it's quick and easy for you guys to really make this at home instead of go out and spend the money out there at them store there. When you make it at home, you know exactly what you get it and how fresh it is. Okay, so I am gonna let Cyan dive into the ingredients, or do you want me to?
Okay, so first we're going to start with showing you guys how to marinate the chicken. So you're going to want to start with 1.5 teaspoons of soy sauce, but we're going to double it. So like for 3, if you're going to use 3 pieces of chicken breast, then you can do 1.5, but we're doing like double.
Yeah, because we are doing 6 chicken breasts, so we are doing 3 tablespoons of soy sauce.
3 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Yeah. Okay.
Then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of garlic. 2 egg yolks.
2 egg white.
2 egg whites.
My girl, you do the thing and you not do the thing good. You have said 2 egg yolk. You need 2 egg white. Where you go with 2 egg yolk?
I thought it was 2. I thought it was 2 egg whites. I mean egg yolks.
Remember, this is your one, your recipe, so you must know what you do. You put 2 egg yolk when you're supposed to put 2 egg white.
That's what, okay, it was an accident. Okay, so now I'm gonna use 2 1/2 tablespoons. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm just using 1/2 tablespoon right now because.
But you could have just used 1 full one and done. And you just put it one, you sprinkle it in the middle.
The other one is wet already, so whatever. And then you're gonna use 1/2 tablespoon of salt.
You need more than 1/2 tablespoon of salt because you double up the something.
2 halves a tablespoon.
See the something there, you use the measurement. Okay, you do the something now, you not do the something good. You have to use the measurement.
2, what is it? 2 halves.
You need one. You need two half spoon, whatever.
Okay, so 1 tablespoon of salt. You're gonna add your black pepper. Like, you can just sprinkle in your black pepper, however much black pepper that you want. It doesn't have to measure. So I'm just.
Me I tell you, says like she do the something. I mean, know what she do. She not do the something good.
I'm doing the something.
No, but you do the something, but you not do it good. You make mistake pan the egg already. What else you gonna make mistake pan?
Okay, so then you're gonna add in.
Here we go again. Here we go again. Yeah.
3/8 of I'm gonna add in 6/8 of, what is this? Baking soda. So 1. This is to tenderize the meat, make it nice and juicy. 2.
Instead of you keep using that little something, you just use a big one.
4. You're making my counting. I'm gonna mess up.
That's 4. Me know you gone 4. Yeah.
5.
This is 5 now.
6.
And this is 6 now because you make the something, you make it already. I know you can't make it like you do like
I'm
say you know what you do. Huh?
I'm doing it, but you're like in my ear, so you're.
I'm not in your ears. I'm talking to you. What are your mistake where you make as you go along the thing?
Okay, guys. So now I'm going to wash my hands because I'm gonna go into the chicken and really mix up.
Make sure you wash your hand good enough because you want to make sure say you wash your hand clean.
I am.
Okay, so
this is all that you're gonna put in here to start marinating the chicken, and we're gonna get into the next steps after. So I'm gonna mix it up with my hand.
So guys, after she do this, now she'll use her hand and mix up everything. She's a girl when I like touch chicken with her hand, but kind of surprised me how she would touch it with her hand. But then she did make it the other day. She did touch it in her hand, and she said she get a little bit older now, so you know she's changing. So let's see.
When I have to cook for my kids, so I can't be.
You don't cook for your kid. You have years to go for that.
I know, but still, like.
Okay, so you practice from now. Okay.
Okay, so I'm just mixing up the chicken here. Really getting it all into every piece. You want to make sure you mix in all that cornstarch, everything. Just mix it up.
The next one we do before did look more browner than that. Remember?
More brown?
Yeah, that looked like it need more soya sauce. That looked like
guys, make sure that you wash your chicken. Some people don't wash the chicken, especially.
No, we pre-washed that already.
No, we pre-washed it. But I'm saying, some people don't wash their chicken, especially when you go to the store. I asked people, did you guys wash the chicken? And she said it come from the factory pre-washed.
What's that? People don't wash the people that don't wash the chicken in the store like that. It come from the factory.
She don't know it come from the package. She doesn't know. She don't wash nothing.
So guys, we put an extra tablespoon inside of the chicken that she's marinated. You know.
The recipe is gonna be in the description. We're gonna have this because just so you guys don't get confused with how much you're supposed to do, just look in the description.
True, Mama Joan don't know nothing about no description business because we never really introduce nobody to no description, but the young people them are cook, so the young people them have them description in a them thing.
Okay, so that's basically it. This is what it should look like. It should look mixed, just like so.
So now we're gonna put this in the fridge and let it sit for about 40 minutes, and then we come back at you when we're ready to do the next step. So while she's waiting for the chicken to marinate, she's gonna go into making the sauce.
So what's in here, what's in the sauce is 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of honey, 5 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 5 tablespoons of ketchup, and 6 tablespoons of water. So this is for the sauce and the gravy that for the chicken on top. So we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna use this after we fry up the chicken. In the description we'll have like the stuff you put to make the sauce.
This girl don't know what the hell she's doing, I'm telling you now.
Okay.
And she keep telling me she's gonna make this thing and she's gonna make it good. She make it already and she did make it nice and proper, so I don't know what is our problem right now. Right now she ain't doing a good job, I may have to say it. So guys, now we're getting ready to fry the chicken. Cyan is going to mix up the chicken now. and then we're gonna get the frying going.
Okay, so yeah, now I'm making the batter for the chicken that we're gonna fry it in. So I'm putting 1 cup of cornstarch and a half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Alright, so then you're gonna mix together your batter. Mix it, mix it.
She's mixing her I mean, I don't know what she do. Because she says she a mixed batter. You're not mixing a liquid something. So she's mixing together her breadcrumbs. So this is what I'm saying. You don't know what you're doing.
Okay.
You need to do better than that.
Grandma.
Okay, I'm just saying, you know.
Every 5 seconds you're telling me I'm not doing it, not doing it, not doing it. You do it then.
It's your recipe. You know, like me can't do it. But me don't want to take it over from you. If you say, okay, you're taking over my stuff, everything you do, me take it over. You know, I'm just saying, you know, you're saying you're mixing butter, you're not mixing butter, you're
okay,
mixing
I'm mixing the
mixing thing for the
I'm mixing the the batter. What is it then? I'm mixing the what is it? The powder? Grandma, what is it then if it's not batter? What is it?
She's mixing the flour and the breadcrumbs together to coat the chicken.
But what is it called then?
Flour and breadcrumbs.
No. Oh, okay, guys.
That flour, sorry.
See, you don't even know it. You don't even know what you're saying. So, guys, now I'm gonna be dropping in. You're just gonna drop in.
This girl get up once say she go bake bang chicken or whatever chicken she bake. Sesame seed, sesame oil, chicken. Korean, Chinese, whatever she bake.
You don't even know what you're saying.
I should not know what the hell she's doing.
But you don't know what you're even talking about.
Of course I know what I'm talking about. This is your thing. Do you want a fork?
No.
Okay, that's not gonna use your finger.
So you guys.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna put it in. Then where's the cover? You're gonna put it inside. You're gonna get a cover. Is this the?
Don't bother waste time.
Like to do it like
okay. As we said, she do not know what she's doing. Everything she get up, but she says she know what she's doing. But
can
to
you
me,
just leave me alone and let me do the thing?
I figure if she just mix a thing with a fork, just turn it with a fork, it's the same result.
It's not the same result. Okay, look at it like okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Look at it like this.
Okay.
And then now we're gonna try it both ways.
Okay.
So this is
okay.
Oh, let me try it for you. This is the regular way.
But I would have just used a fork. I won't be using my finger.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
When you do it your
yes.
dega way.
Yeah. Okay.
But when you do it my way.
Okay. The place are nasty up. Okay.
It's done in 2 seconds, and look at how it's coated. Not that one.
Yeah, she put up on and said no, not that one.
Look at that. Look at that.
It doesn't
look
make
at that.
As we said, you do it your way or you
see
want
how
to do it.
it's done in 5 seconds.
Okay, so do your thing.
So anyways, you guys, we're gonna coat the pieces of chicken inside of the batter, just like so. You can shake it up, or
and you have to knock it off when you fry it.
Okay, guys. So this is the oil that right here. You want it to get to about 400 degrees, 300 or 400?
300.
300.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna take those pieces of chicken that you just battered up, and you're just gonna drop them in there. And you're gonna wanna fry it for 3 minutes. Because she's gonna do a double fry. So the first fry is 3 minutes, and the first fry. Yeah, so we're gonna be frying it.
You need to put more in something, man.
How
Hurry
much
up.
more?
We need to put more. You need to put more in there. Hurry up. Yes. Yeah, because the pot big enough where it can't hold more. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, mind to burn up yourself. You just like you're afraid of the something. You're afraid of the something?
I mean, I don't want to get burned, so
you never get burned?
How do you know that?
Yeah, make sure it's not fried good enough, because it's like you don't know what you do.
How am I going to make sure it's frying good?
Okay. Remember 3 minutes, so you turn it on both sides. 1.5 minutes, and then you turn it over. Yeah. Christ have mercy. Lord.
I didn't do nothing. All I did was put it in there, and you're talking about Christ of mercy.
Watch how I run from the stove.
Alright, you guys, so this is what the chicken looks like after 3 minutes of frying. After you fry it, you're going to let it sit for 15 minutes so it can cool down, and then come back and fry it again for another 3 minutes. So we already let ours sit for 15 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and double fry it again for an additional 3 minutes. Alright you guys, so as you can see, this is what the chicken is looking like after the double fry after 3 minutes. Now I have my saucepan over here, and I'm gonna put the sauce in here. So the same sauce mixture, ingredients in the description, I'm just gonna pour it into here. Okay, so now you're gonna need to add some cornstarch mixture to it. So you're gonna get about 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, put it in a container with 1 teaspoon of water. Alright, I'm gonna put equal parts water, and this is to thicken up the sauce. Then what you're gonna do is let it cook a little bit, let it bubble a little bit until it starts to thicken up. So you guys see how it's like liquidy right now? It's gonna thicken up in a little bit after it cooks for a bit.
As me say, she keep doing this thing and she make so much mistake, so I know. But the people them not like you when you talk the truth. So true people not like you when you talk truth, you know, you have to tell them.
Would you like to do it by yourself?
I can do it by myself, but this is your recipe. This is your recipe, you know. And from there, I do it until now. It's like I have to keep correcting you, keep correcting you, you know. So I don't know, you know.
Alright, so guys, it's thickening up. As you can see, it's becoming more of like a sauce instead of just a liquid.
You put pepper in there?
I put a bit. You can taste it to see if you want more. I didn't put too much because I know you don't like too much of it. It needs more? It needs more?
I don't taste nothing.
Guys, to spice it up, we are using Scotch bonnet pepper and sriracha. Is that spicy enough for you? Is that spicy enough for you?
It is spicy, yeah, it's okay. It should be okay now. I'm gonna taste it, but it should be okay. But me keep having
You don't want it the way how it was yesterday. Alright, so the sauce is done. As you can see, this is the consistency. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. You can go ahead and turn it off. Guys, don't cook like this, because she's talking about I don't know what I'm doing. Look at how she's cooking it. It shouldn't be like that.
It shouldn't be like how?
Because then if I hit it like this, it's gonna flip everywhere. It's supposed to stay to the side.
Oh, because me as I cook, me know how to do the thing, the angle. But you don't, it never did go dash.
But that's not the safety. So you're the one that doesn't know what you're doing.
Trust me, Cyan, you don't know what the hell you're doing from the time you start to cook this until now. Watch her now. Watch her now.
Guys, so I'm gonna add my chicken to the sauce.
See, as me tell you, she don't know. Watch her.
Can you stop?
Watch there.
Okay, do it yourself.
Where you go? Hey, where you going, Cyan? Cyan, can you come back here? Like, where are you going to?
You keep saying I don't know what I'm doing.
Because
it's done
yeah. What do you mean it's done?
It's done. Like, you keep saying I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just mixing up the thing. I'm not even doing anything. So just do it yourself. Like,
Cyan, I'm just messing around. I'm just messing around with you. I'm just messing around with you. Did you see that? I'm just messing around. It's just a prank. It's just fair. It's just a prank. I'm just messing around with you.
You're stressing me out.
I'm not stressing you out. Oh, am I stressing you out?
Because I'm trying to cook and you keep telling me stuff. It's not funny.
Is that funny? You don't find it funny?
No, I don't find it funny.
Okay, well, finish putting the chicken where you are putting it.
No, I'm not doing it no more.
I mean, you're not doing it no more. You need to finish it up. So you need to put some more chicken in there. And take out whatever you're going to use for the lemon chicken. So anyway, guys, we come to the end of the video. And as I said, I want you to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post, guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. And enjoy the night. Okay, so bye.